sisters in the orchard, the sisters in the field. I bet the sisters with the neighbor boy trying to get healed. I got a woman on my mind, and you won't let